Hello, you're highly welcome. Into this tutorial today, we are going to be solving this particular problem. This is exponential equation. I would like you to stay focused and see how we are going to solve this. It's not hard, right? So we are looking for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Can you solve it? So now you can pause this video and try it. Then come back and see how you can compare the solutions. The two solutions, the one you have and the one I have here. Now let's see how you're going to do it. So now from here, I'm going to transpose this to this side. I'm going to be having 2 into bracket, or 2 to the power of 3x plus 3, then minus 2, 3x plus 1, then all equals 48. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do here is that I want to do something here. I want to bring out common factors. So what can I bring out from here and here? So now I can rewrite the first term here to be 3x plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 to power 3x plus 1 equals 48. Now what am I doing here? I have 3x plus 1 here. This 3x plus 1 can be, we have, if you look at the 3x plus 1 here, so we can find out this 3x plus 1 from here. So what am I saying? So we have this one to be this. So 3x plus 1 plus 2. So now if you remember from the law of indices, when you have a to the power of b, right, plus c, so this will give us a to the power of b, then multiply by a to the power of c. Do you understand now? So here now I can split this one, having 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, then multiply by 2 to the power of 2, the plus that we have here, which same thing as what we have. So minus 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 equals 48. Do you understand now? So from here you can see that here we have something common here. We have 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, and here we have 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. So it means that this can be factorized. Okay, maybe I should use, instead of this dot, I should use what they call, as you use the parentheses like this. So using the parentheses, so you see that this and this, they are common factor. I can factorize it out, 3x plus 1, then into bracket. If you use this here to divide 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, so what we are going to be left with is 2 to the power of 2 minus, and everything here divided by this will give us 1, then equals 48. Are you following? So from there, the next thing we're going to do is we have 2 to the power of 3x plus 1, right? So 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1, we have 3. So that means we have 3 equals 48. So now the next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides by 3. If you divide both sides by 3, so this we cancel this. 48 divided by 3 will give us 16. That will give us 16. So we have 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 equals what? 48 divided by 6, that will give us 16. So 2 to the power of 3x plus 1. Now you write this 16 in index form with the respect having the same the lowest common base, which is 2 to the power of 4, right? So from here, since the bases are the same, we're going to have 3x plus 1 equals 4. That is, we equate the what? We equate the exponents. So now from here, so we transpose 1 to the right hand side. We have 4 minus 1, then 3x is going to be 4 minus 1 is 3. Then we divide both sides by 3. This we cancel this. Then we have x to be 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. So we have the value of x that will satisfy this equation is what? Is 1, right? So now we can actually check whether what we have is right or not. Here, put 2 here, put 2 here, or put 1 here. We have 1 here. So 3 times 1 is going to give us 3 plus what? Plus 3. That will give us 6. So therefore here we are going to have 2 to the power of 6. Then equals, here put 1 here, 3 times 1 here, 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, we have 2. So 2 to the power of 4 plus 48. So you see that we have 2 to the power of 6 equals 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. Then 16 plus 48. So 16 plus 48 will give us 64. And 2 raised to power 6 is the same thing as 64. So therefore, we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we show that the value of x we got is the what is the valid solution to the problem, right? So now, if you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends, follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos, then also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.